Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this particular video, what we are going to do is to get our file or directly properties or the size of the file. We're going to get the file and the directly properties. That's what basically what we are going to do in this video. We're going to get the size. When you get the size of a particular file, it's going to be stored in form of a byte. It's going to be stored in byte format. So come on. It's going to be stored in byte format. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to check whether this is actually correct. So this is our source folder we created, and this is our name. The file that I want to check for the size. So we're going to change this guy to Peter. So we want to and how to do that is just path.get size. So to do get size. This get size is going to get this path size, and this part is talking about this guy. So I'm going to get the path the size to this part. So let's run and see the output. You can see here I got 27. This means 27 bytes. So let's see how true this is. So let me come here, let me right click on this, right click, go to properties. I think here we can see size equals to 27 bytes. So we actually got this successfully. So the next one we're going to do is to get what is called the statistics. I can say the properties of this. Let me drag this guy down. The properties of this part. So how can we do that? We can say os. Why is this guy copying my answer? Go to os dot. I can say stat, like the name stat, to get the statistics or the properties of this part. So let me run it. Come on. Let me drag it up. Let's see the output we got. You can say this is a whole lot of statistics. You can see the start size, time, it was start time, other whole lot of other bunch of other things that we can make use of. This start size we talked about, I've gotten it before, it was 27 and other things. So this is how you can get the properties and start up a file. So this will be it for the video. Thank you for watching.